The keynote by Bolt organization, that was very good. I really like how they, being an organization which is more technology driven, still bring that human element into the, the way they are working. So that was brilliant. And also all the interactions I had so far, they were quite good, because the way they were structured was really good. It's not like, we are queuing up, we had our own dedicated time, we were speaking, and something which was really interesting was that those people were already aware where I'm coming from, so they kind of have done their homework, which was saving time, and also got much more out of those 15-20 minutes of conversation. We were not here for swags. We were definitely here for the conversation. We were here to understand how we can really build that relationship of a vendor and a client. So some of the organizations we already work with, and it was good to have some face to the name. So it was also that was really good. I have already recommended my manager to come and attend this session as well, because I think it will be really valuable for us to be on the same page and understand that where I'm coming from, and for 2027 and beyond, how we can really utilize the this 2-year work conference into something more productive. I have been to other conferences as well, like HR Technologies and many more. But how it was different was, because the interaction started quite early, like a couple of months before we actually have come here today. And Ellie has been really kind. She wanted to understand more what our needs are, and then she has aligned us with these vendors and these companies. So it was very much like speed dating as well in a way, because I didn't know whom I'm going to see. But I am so glad she has done a phenomenal job in getting me in touch with the people I would really value.